Today I'm meeting with John King, country artist, and he is building his forever home in the mountains of North Georgia. We are going to build a beautiful pergola right by the creek, and it is going to be so awesome.
Thinking pergola over here.
Love it.
Little like putt-putt mini golf green maybe over here someday, like after we do some clearing, and then maybe like a 4-square course or something over there for the girls.
John has chosen a 10 by 10 pergola, and we're going to be building it out of cedar. We're going to use a shade cover so he can use it in all the seasons. John has never built a pergola, but I am so excited to show him just how easy it is to build a pergola in one day using the Simpson Strong-Tie Sage system. All right, we've got the footings prepped and we've got the materials here, all our tools. All we need to do is get started.
Let's go.
Go. After we measure and square everything off so that we know exactly where to place these post bases, we're going to pre-drill pilot holes and then screw them down with the Titan Turbo anchor screws. If you notice, there's a standoff under here.
Yeah.
So when it's on the ground right here, the standoff keeps the wood from being in standing water.
Love
so
that.
It'll last longer too. These are the Titan Turbo masonry and concrete screw anchors. This is what comes in the box with the post bases, and we're going to use these to anchor the post bases to the concrete. All right, so the next step, we're going to take the posts, drop them in the post bases, and then that way we can see how tall they need to be. So yeah, I think you and Adam can grab those heavy things
Time
and
to break out the muscle, yeah?
Yeah, drop them in. All right, so we made our marks. We got the string on here, and I'm going to take this little line level.
Okay.
And then we're going to pop it on the string and make sure that our line is level.
So we're doing this on this side and then all other 3 sides, right?
Yeah, so we'll make our marks. This will make sure that everything is level, and we could take them off, make our cuts on the ground just because it's easier.
Okay, got it.
Work smarter, not harder.
This is coming together easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, super quick. Oh man, I love the cedar. It's light, it's easy to work with, and it looks beautiful.
Yeah, it looks so good. We'll put a little stain on it to kind of preserve it, or a little clear coat, you think?
Oh yeah, you could do that. Although cedar is naturally resistant to rot and outdoor elements, but I mean, yeah, if you want to preserve the color, I'd do a top coat.
Okay. Wow, what's next?
We just got to plumb the posts so that they're straight. So we'll use some bracing, and then we can move on to the next step. All right, now that we've got the posts secured to the post bases, we can get rid of these braces and then pop the corner connectors on top.
All right, ready.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let me show you how cool this design is. So the Strong-Tie engineers, they really thought of everything. So it's actually an open top design so that when we go to place the beams, we don't have to insert it into the sleeve, we can just drop them down.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, that makes it way easier.
Yeah, it's so much easier than having to like wrestle it into You'd
You'd have to have like 10 people to pick it up if you had to put it together on the ground and lift it. So this you can just drop it in one beam at a time.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously these are rated for exterior use, but even when it rains, these are designed so that the rain just drains right through it.
Good. We get a lot of rain here. It's like a rainforest, so we need all the drainage, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So you don't have like wood just rotting and standing water.
Right. This is looking great, Jen.
Yeah, it's coming together really quickly.
So we're like almost done, right?
Yeah, we're in the home stretch. Beams and then the shade cover, and then we're done. Then we can decorate.
All right.
All right, I've got 111. Yeah, 111.
Jen, this is coming along.
Oh, I know, it's so good.
Like now that I see it, like this whole space is gonna be such a special spot where I can like come down, write songs with my buddies, build campfires out there on the creek, like have my kids run around, and like having years and years of songs about home and coming home to now be working on it. Like this is like the first step.
All right, we've got the sunshade over here. It comes in 10 by 10, also comes in 8 by 8, but since we're doing a 10 by 10 pergola, we've got the sunshade that goes with it. It's really easy to install. So it comes with these brackets that we're just gonna secure to the top of the beams.
Okay.
And then the sunshade has some straps that we can just tie those to.
Great.
What a fun project. It came together so seamlessly, and John and his family were absolutely amazing hosts. He's got such a gorgeous property here. I mean, it is so beautiful. I love that he is creating this intentional space for friends and family to gather. Simpson Strong-Tie and the awesome Sage system made it so quick and easy to build this pergola, and it's just the starting point. He's got incredible plans, and it's going to be so fun to see how this space evolves.